day 6 in Oman, and before we're going to the Grand Mosque, we're having breakfast. Their cornflakes is now flexing. So we're waiting for Ahmed. That is Ahmed there, the car with the orange sticker. He's just reversing in. He's coming to show us local Omani breakfast. We already got some tea, karak tea, and some Sulaimani tea. That's this one. But I completely missed to actually record what we had for food. Ahmed is already washing his hands. So we had this delicious cheese honey pancake style. There is a name for it. We had some lentils, some bread to dunk into a red sauce. It was super delicious. That was a very rich, yummy local Omani breakfast. We are at the Grand Mosque. Mosque in Oman. It's a very architecturally beautiful experience when you go in there. It's seating up to 20,000 people in the entire complex, and then inside 6,500 people for prayer. And the garden is beautiful, and you know, the marble from Italy, the windows from France. Now that's a first. Mom and I, we stumbled across a coffee roaster place, and we walked inside and noticed, okay, nobody's here. And then the owner just came out and said, oh, they're actually opening next week. So for now, they don't have any milk / my assumption now, fridge yet. So they can only make hot coffee, as in, well, black coffee, as in espresso or long black. So Mom wants an espresso, so that's perfect for me. Then just no latte, but that's fine as well. And yeah, the place is all empty and still to be opened. Bench here is really pretty. Yeah, you can see they're still putting all the outlets in and all that stuff. So that's really cool. The design is very nice. So that's the coffee bar. Whoa, it is a bit windy today. We are now in our Sawa Public Park, which is a beautiful park installation here where you can see lots of flowers and green spaces in the middle of sort of what it seems a freeway triangle here. Have a look. Really pretty here. It is a very quiet park. We've only encountered one person so far, maybe two people, one worker and one private person. And at the same time it's still really pretty. The entire layout here, and flowers might still be cultivated more in different seasons. However, now it's still quite nice flower arrays, and this seems to be under construction here, so it's a bit of a mystery what's actually going on here, because it's beautifully quiet and abandoned almost. It almost looks abandoned. This boarded up walkway here, the passage. I'd imagine this looks really cool once the water's running. They are definitely prepared for visitors, especially of the younger generation, as you can see, with all these toys to roll around here, which all these small wheels, I'd imagine it might be a bit of a bumpy ride here. Fun and bumpy. Another cut in time. I met Ahmed, he is just parking here. Met him earlier to hang out, and then he had customers, but he said, Phil, jump in, I'll drive them to their hotel, and then after that we can hang out. It was a bit strange for the customers to experience that, but
in the end, they were very happy that we got to talk a little bit. So now we had some dinner and all that, some yummy karak tea, beautiful karak tea. And now he said, all right, Phil, you want to go to the opera house at night? Stop by and take some pictures. And so I said, yeah, damn yeah. I haven't been there throughout the daytime. So now I get to see this place at night. It's so pretty. The reflections, man, these reflections. Mom said the other day, which I already knew, but she refreshed my memory, that everything looks better with the lights on at night. And it's so true. If you look around Oman, everywhere with these impressive structures at night, when the lights turn on, it turns into a different parallel universe almost. It's so beautiful. And Ahmed is coming there. Dude, for the first moment, literally, when we drove past, I thought there is water here. There's a little lake or pond or something in front of the opera house here, but it's just highly polished tiles. Oh, mosaics actually. Yeah, no, it's tiles here, but it's amazing. And Ahmed, he's organizing a hotel pickup for tomorrow. Still sussing out if the customer means this or that hotel. Huh? Ahmed, there's a video.
Yeah,
let's
beautiful.
Pause for a picture, but take a video.
Yeah.
This is so nice. Yeah.
You can see this outside Omani marble.
Omani
inside,
marble.
Yeah, inside Italy. So if you touch it, it's cooler. If you 55 degrees.
So Omani marble is cooler than Italian marble?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So what is it like castle?
Yeah, it is.
This
impressive.
is the first opera house in Gulf country.
First
and
one.
third opera house in Middle East.
You're going lower? Okay. This is Ahmed playing with the exposure here. I'm just holding the phone now. Now we're going a little closer. Ahmed told me I should go into the lights and take some beautiful pictures. Man, this is so pretty. Day 7 in Oman, Muscat, which is the last full day here. Tomorrow we're heading to Nizwa, and I'm a bit early for the coffee shop that I usually go to, Muska Coffee. Therefore I'm just going for a stroll. The cat looks awfully scared. But she looks very scared. Trust in Oman's safety goes so far that this car is running, nobody's inside. This car is running, oh yeah, somebody's inside, but they are running the car just for the aircon. It's so cool. Hey, it seems to be an elementary school here. They were playing music, there's a bit of a presentation going on. That's so cool. Indian school, Muscat. Oh, there you go. An Indian school in the back streets of Muscat. There is a local graveyard here, as it seems. Very nice. Along the hillside here. Very pretty. Also, on that note, these holes in there, I'm not sure if you can make them out. There is, here. You see that little cave there is one in the middle. There's all these little holes all around, which seems to be little mini caves that develop into bigger ones over time, and then there will be settlements of beehives and all that, so they get the local honey harvested from there. It's really hard to make out with the camera, but yeah, you see that bigger black hole, these two big black holes there, and there's one there, and there's a few all scattered all around the rocks. Mom and I are now at the National Museum in Nutra, and I'll show you around a little bit. is a wrap, and now we're going finally on our last day here in Ultra. We're going up this way. Beautiful sunset hike, man. The rocks here, the stones, the rocks, everything. It's just the layers of little mountain peaks behind mountain peaks behind mountain peaks. It is so fascinating to watch that. It's so beautiful. Wait, I gotta be careful now. Go down here. Whee! It's fun.